Hello everyone, welcome to my Fluid Art channel. This is Nate. I am going to do another split cup straight pour, wandering straight pour on this 16 by 20 inch canvas. I'm still enamored with the idea of this turquoise and copper together. So I'm building my color palette based on that again, and I am going to put those two colors in the center, and I'm going to layer them with copper. This is Artist Loft copper, and this is Deco Art 24 karat gold. So I'm going to layer that chamber with copper and gold stacked on top of each other, and then I also have some Amsterdam's yellowish green, and this is Amsterdam's turquoise green, and I've had a little bit of, I had some leftover this little piggy sea glass. I've added that. It's a very similar color, so it just adds a little bit of sparkle, and I'm going to layer those together in this other center chamber. And then on the outside chambers, I have Amsterdam's greenish blue, and I'm going to fill both of those chambers on the outside. So what I'm hoping for here is lots of feathering from these colors, and then this blue space will be kind of the negative space. And then I also have some leftover from my slop bucket. I have some leftover blues. There's some metallics in there too. I'll use that as my flow extender. I have this time thinned these paints out just a little bit with some water. So everything is mixed, 6 parts paint, or 6 parts pouring medium, which is mix pour, and 1 part paint, and then I've added just a little bit of water to thin it down. But it is still thick, and it does still do a mound on a mound. Those little folds right there that you see as it's coming off of the stick, that's what creates the feathering as I pour it. So if this was thin enough that it didn't mound on top of itself and fold like that, it wouldn't create those beautiful lacy fingerlings that I'm hoping for. So I think this is exactly what I need to do. So I'm going to go ahead and layer my cup. I'm going to start with a little bit of copper in the bottom, and then gold on top of that. And I'm just going to do multiple layers, and I'll do the turquoise and the green in the exact same way. End on that gold. This canvas, as I said, is 16 by 20, so I only need about 12 ounces of paint. Each of these chambers holds 5 ounces, so I'm attempting not to fill it up completely. We'll see how well I do. And so there's the turquoise green, and now the yellowish green on top of that. And these paints are thick enough still that I can layer directly on top of each other without piercing the layer. A little more the green and the turquoise green, then the yellowish green, and I'll end with a little bit of the turquoise green again. Just a little bit, don't want to fill it up completely. There we go. And now our outside chambers. If I end up with a little more paint, it'll just give me more control over my composition. So let's get these out of the way. And instead of adding a base coat, I'm going to go ahead and pour. I think this will end up being my negative space. So I don't need a base coat. I'll add some flow extender because I'm sure I'll need it. But I'm going to start right here and then travel around kind of in a circle.
but nothing ever stopped me from dusting off my shoes. You might think you'll see me falling to the ground, but I threw up my umbrella when rain stops hitting town. Yeah! On a bad day, on a good day, I don't need no sunshine, 'cause I'm dancing with the rain. You will see me running, thinking I might be insane. I don't need no sunshine, you keep me going strong. I just need my happy face to keep me moving on. Looking out the window, reflecting who I am. No one ever stopped me, not even Uncle Sam. Life might be a struggle, life might be a fight, but I am here to show the world that I can make it right. On a bad day, on a good day, on a bad day, rain keeps raining.
So here are the wet results. Wow, this is so cool. I love all of that negative space. I love how that green and the turquoise play together with that copper and the gold, and all that feathering and lacing is so beautiful. I managed to keep a little bit of copper and gold on the corners. I apologize about the shadow here. But look at that, so pretty. I can't wait to see how that dries. Now, Amsterdam greenish blue does dry a bit darker, but it still appears blue. So look at this area here. Oh wow, so pretty. What's happening with my light here? Is that better? There we go. Maybe a little better. Look, if you get down there, look at that feathering. So pretty. That's what I love about this technique. All those soft little lines that come out. Look at that blending in that section right there. Ooh, so pretty. I love that. Wow. All of this turned out really, really nice. Thank you to Fiona for showing us all how to do this. I can't wait to play with this more. And Mina, oh my gosh, so many beautiful ones Mina and Brian have both done too. I'm happy to be joining this little bandwagon of these split cup straight pours, wandering straight pours. Yeah, I'm really, really happy with this. I'm jazzed about all these different color combinations I can come up with. I liked the way that I layered that cup so that the blue and the green and the gold and the copper work so well together. Yep, can't wait to see this dry. So stick around for dry results. So here we have the dry results of this split cup wandering straight pour. I'm so freaking happy with how this dried. That that blue dried really dark, but it's still obviously blue. The way, oh, just look at the sparkle of that copper and the gold. So excited about that. The way that this feathering comes out. Sorry about the shadow. But look at this. Wow. I showed it to my neighbor and he said it looked like, you know, something on fire in space. He's like a fire on Saturn or something. This shape is really unusual. I'm not sure if I like it like this better or like this orientation better. There's a little much. I wonder if I can prop it up here. Oh, there we go. That's better. Yeah, that orientation or this one, I'm not sure. But yeah, I'm really happy with how that turned out. I hope you like it too. And if you like this video, please give me a thumbs up. Subscribe if you'd like to see more. And come back and see me sometime.